So, hello again to all Escape Way Year 1 students. So, for mathematics today, we will do exercises in Mathematics Activity Book Part 1. Okay, you turn to page 49. Okay, turn to page 49. Now, we are going to do a few pages. So I will guide you. Kita akan buat beberapa muka surat latihan ini dan cikgu akan bimbing lah. Okay. So for the first part, activity 1. Okay, activity 1. Count the objects. Kira bilangan objek. Write the numbers. Tuliskan nombornya. Kira dan tuliskan nombornya. Okay, jadi kita lihat untuk yang A. For A, first you need to count the blocks, okay, or the bricks or the blocks. Okay, ini mungkin batu bata ataupun blok lah. Okay, jadi kamu kena kira, okay, hitung. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kalau ada 5, if you have 5 here, then you need to write it down over here. Tulislah 5 di sini. Write number 5. Okay, next one. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down 6. Next one, count again. Kira, tuliskan nombor di bawahnya. Okay. For B, it's the same thing. Okay. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You count and then you write down a number here. Okay. Count, write down the number here. Count, write the number. Count, write the number. Count, write the number. Okay. Kira dan tulis nombor sahaja. Okay, jadi selepas kamu kira nanti, kamu akan lihatlah nombor ini. Dia ada yang dari sedikit pergi ke banyak. From a little to a lot more. Okay, while this one from a lot more, banyak, to little, ke sedikit. Okay, jadi dari sedikit ke banyak, banyak ke sedikit. Kita ada nama lah untuk panggil dia. Okay, kalau dari sedikit pergi ke banyak, we call it ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, tertib menaik. While if it's from a lot more to a lot less, okay, so dari banyak ke sedikit, kita panggil dia tertib menurun ataupun in English descending order. Okay, so ascending order, descending order. Okay, next one. Exercise number 2. Write the numbers in ascending order. So ascending order, seperti yang cikgu bagi tahu tadi, ascending order maksudnya menaik. Menaik, okay, menaik maksudnya bertambah banyak, semakin banyak. Okay, kalau semakin banyak maksudnya dari sedikit ke banyak. Jadi kamu kena susun. Okay, the question requires you to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Susun nombor itu menaik. Okay, menaik maksudnya semakin banyak. Kecil dulu, lepas tu besar di belakang. Jadi kamu tengok nombor ni, there are 5 numbers here, 28, 25, 27, 29 and 26. So which one is the smallest? Mana yang paling sedikit? The one that is the smallest goes to the left. Okay, yang mana yang paling sedikit, masukkan ke kiri. Sekali, sinilah. Okay, mana yang paling sedikit? Ini sebagai contoh. Okay, antara 28, 28, 25, 27, 29, 26, 25. 25 is the least. So 25 goes here. So you potong. You cross off. Okay, so which one? Next. 28, 27, 29, 26. Which one? So it's 26. So 26 here. Okay, and so on. Okay, susunlah. Okay, dari kecil ke besar. B also the same. Ascending order, kecil ke besar. Susun dia. Mana yang paling kecil antara 5 nombor ini? Letak di depan sekali. Okay, lepas itu apa? Lepas tu apa nombor yang berikutnya lah. Okay, macam kita mengira biasa tu, dari kecil ke besar. Just like how we usually count. Okay, now next one is C. C also the same. Okay, 67, 67, 67, 70, 66, 69, 68. You choose which one is the smallest, you put it in front. Okay, and then accordingly lah, which one comes next. Okay, you do all this page. Next one, for page 50. 50, page 50. Okay, the same here, just the opposite from before, bertentangan dengan yang tadi. This one is descending order. Descending order maksudnya menurun. Menurun. Okay, menurun semakin kecil maksudnya. Okay, so descending order. For example, A, 11, 13, 10, 12, 14. So just now, we look for the smallest. Now, we look for the largest number, the biggest number, nombor paling besar. Yang paling besar dulu. Yang mana paling besar? Between these 5. Okay, so it's 14 paling besar. So 14 goes here. Potong. Okay, 14. After 14, which one? 13. So 13 here. Next, 12. So 12 here. And then 11 here, and then 10. Okay, dari besar ke kecil. Okay, seterusnya B, next one, also the same, dari besar ke kecil. Which one is the biggest? Mana paling besar? Okay, letaklah di depan sekali. Lepas tu, mana yang kedua paling besar? Letak di sebelahnya. Dan yang paling kecil akan pergi sini nanti. Okay, antara 5 nombor ini. So for C also the same. Between these 5 numbers, which one is the largest? You put to the leftmost. Okay, and then accordingly, which one is the next largest, the second largest, the third largest, and the fourth largest and the smallest one. Okay, dari besar ke kecil. Paling besar di sini, nombor 2 besar, nombor 3, nombor 4, nombor 5. Paling kecil di sini. Okay, susun descending order. Okay, now next one. Write the numbers before, after, or in between. Okay, so now we have 3 words here. Before, after, in between. Okay, before maksudnya sebelum. Sebelum maksudnya nombor yang datang sebelum nombor yang diberikan. Okay, contohnya sebelum nombor 2 ialah nombor 1. Before number 2 is number 1. Before number 5 is number 4. Okay, before number 10 is number 9. Okay, now that is before. Next one, after. After maksudnya selepas. After is the number that comes after a certain number. Okay, contohnya after, selepas. After 3 is 4. After 7 is 8. After 20 is 21. Nombor yang selepas. Okay, and the last one is in between. In between maksudnya di tengah-tengah, di antara, in between, in the middle. Okay, for example, okay, we just look at the questions here. We try to answer a few questions. Okay, for example, the first one. Okay, missing. Missing maksudnya hilang. Okay, missing number here. 14, 15. What do you think is here? So this is before. Ini sebelum. So sebelum 14, apa nombornya? Kalau kita kira macam biasa, sebelum 14 ialah 13, 13. Okay, 13, 14, 15, correct? Yes, so 13, 14, 15. What about this one? Here missing, here missing. Before missing, after also missing. So before 31, if you count, before 31 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That means 30. Okay, so 30, 31, then what's after 31? 32. Okay, just like that, you fill in. Okay, and some of it in the middle, missing, hilang di tengah-tengah. 47, and then what? 49. After 47, 40, 48, correct. Okay, 47, 48, 49. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the rest you fill in. Okay, yang lain ini masukkan, isikan. Now next one, this one is easy lah. Okay, this one is the easy one. You just have to connect the dots. Okay, sambungkan titik-titik. Mula daripada sini nombor 1 ni lah. Okay, 1 sambung pergi 2, pergi 3, sambung habis. Ikut urutan. And then you write down what did you draw here. Apa yang kamu lukis? Seekor apa? Ayam kah? Katak kah? Burung kah? Tulis sini apa bendanya, apa haiwannya. Okay, in English lah. I drew a what? Okay, and then it says here color the picture, meaning you have to color, warnakan, warnakan penuh-penuh lah, okay? Jangan warna alang-alang, warna penuh-penuh. Okay, next one, page 52, page 52. Okay, this is the last one. Write the missing numbers. Okay, so tuliskan nombor yang hilang. We start from the ekor here, 51. Or you want to start from 100 here also can. Kamu boleh mula dari 100 ini, atau kamu boleh mula dari 51. Okay, kalau mula dari 51, if you start from 51, meaning ascending order, makin besar nombornya, makin banyak. 51 and then what? 52, 53, 54, 55, and so on. Okay, if you start from here 100, then you go descending. Okay, kamu buat menurun. Okay, menurun maksudnya nombornya makin kecil. Okay, so from 100, before 100 is 99, 98, 97, 96, and so on sampai habis. Okay, so this one you finish it also. Isi semua sampai habis. Ini mengira lah. Okay, tak perlu warna yang muka surat ni. Okay, so itu sahaja untuk hari ini. So that's all for today. You do 4 pages, 49, 50, 51, and 52. Okay, so that's all for today. See you again next time. Thank you.